Hey guys, it's Ted with OAXRAY, and today we're going to talk about how you can make some money selling items from Best Buy to Amazon.com. So Best Buy was one of the first sites that I liked flipping items on. They do have a few toys, so because of that, people often don't look for toys and things on Best Buy. So whenever things would run out at other places, BestBuy.com would often still have them because it was one of those places that a lot of people didn't think about. So I went over here to a toys page after I type in toys, and I left click on the extension to run OAXRAY, and it brings me to a page just like this. I'm also going to take, since that's loading, I'm going to go back and look on a few other pages. So I'm on a different page. There's some drones and some other toys here. So while everything else is done loading, I'm going to left click on the OAXRAY extension again, and once that's done loading, I'll have a look. So if you notice here, I have a sales rank threshold of at least 1, so the item has to have at least sales rank of at least 1, and there's no maximum cap that I have here. But if I remove this, all the items, if I remove these two, more items will show up. But what I'm doing is I'm putting a filter. I want to see at least 25% ROI, and for the sales rank I wanted to see something with a sales rank, so I put a 1, and I can put a cap of 600,000 or whatever I would like, and it's going to filter out anything that does not meet those criteria. So I have 2 items here, and I'm going to go with the second one because it looks like this says it's a roller coaster, but it's kind of interesting. It has a pen here, so I'm not sure if there's something wrong with the Amazon listing. So I'm clicking on the Amazon listing, looking at that, and I'm going to click on the Best Buy listing. So it looks like FAO, normally $60, selling for $47.99. Come over here. FAO looks a little different. So as I scroll down, I see there's another FAO mat. This is probably it. Looks like sometimes on Amazon people will create 2 or 3 different listings for the same item, so this looks like it's the right one. Has 37 reviews and 4-star average, so most people like this item, so I'm happy there. 71,000 in toys right now. That actually looks awesome, about 4 pounds. So whenever I think about shipping my boxes, I always think about how many can I fit in a box. And this is probably going to cost at least $1 to ship in, since these are 4 pounds each. And for me, generally shipping is about 25 cents a pound. So once I check out my dimensions, my weight, and I get all that lined up, I'm going to go over to the Amazon FBA calculator, check that out. Once this loads up, I'm going to put in a selling price. Let me go back to it, make sure, of 149. Oh, sorry, 145.99 is the selling price. Shipping to Amazon is going to cost me about $1. I'm expecting to ship 10 of these in one box, 5 to 10 in a box, and the box is probably going to cost me about $10 to ship in. So I'm going to go to cost of product, and it is $47.99. We can calculate that. So it looks like if this item sells, it's only 71,000 in toys, so it's probably going to sell. If this item sells for $145.99, which is the going price right now, and we spend $47.99, we're going to make $62. So we're going to make a little bit more than double our money. Now I can actually pull up Raise, and I'm pretty sure you can get discounted gift cards, but I'm not sure what they'll be at this time. Looks like we'll get about 2.8% off on Raise, and maybe there's a special going on eBay, so I always like to check this out also. And let's see, eBay. So Best Buy is only offering a 1% cash back, and it looks like there's no big deals going on today. There are some doorbusters, but it doesn't look like much is going on, so we're pretty much going to pay right around $47 for it, but our projection still is we're going to make $42,638 if it sells at the price that we're trying to get for the item. And that's all there is to it using OAXRAY on BestBuy.com. Thank you guys very much. Have a great day and make some money using OAXRAY. Please like and subscribe, and if you have a question about Amazon, put a comment down below and I'll make a video about it as soon as I can.